everybody. So today I am here with pretty much an unboxing video. I just went and picked up a bunch of my packages. I got some PR stuff, I'm guessing this is mostly makeup, beauty related stuff. Yeah, makeup and all that type of jazz. So I thought I would open them up on camera, share them with you guys, and kind of do like first impressions, first look type of video. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump straight into it. Alright, so this first one, I got a smaller one, but I'll just start with the one that's on top. So the first package is from the Balm. I like getting stuff from the Balm. Their products are really good. I use their, what is it, the Bahama Mama bronzer as my contour. I use that a lot. I also use it in as an eyeshadow a lot. So yeah, I'm really digging the Balm products. I actually have this lip gloss I have on today. It's actually from the Balm. So this is what it looks like. And they sent the foil eyeshadow palette. Okay. Alright, so I got this palette. The first the top 8 colors they look shimmery, and then the bottom ones are probably like crease colors. This one could be used as a brow highlight. Let's see what the pigmentation is looking like. So the shadows look really nice and pigmented, so I'm sure they will look really nice once you put them on, but I'm not surprised because I have a couple of their palettes that I use pretty frequently and they're really, really good quality. So yeah, I got that. Wipe that off so I don't get it everywhere. And then they also sent, what is this? It says this is the Scuba water resistant black mascara. Got that, and then the Schwing black liquid eyeliner. You can never have enough mascara or black eyeliner. I use these things all the time. So yeah, this is what we got from the Balm. Next package. This one is from Urban Decay. All right. Sounds like a lot of stuff in here. This card says it's the Born to Run collection. 21 pan palette, setting spray, essential liners, and new lipstick. Let's see it. Oh! Okay, well, it wasn't secured very good, but let me try to fix it so you guys can see how it's supposed to look. Okay, so just right off the bat, this looks really nice. I don't know about you guys, but I'm always a sucker for just thoughtful packaging when it looks like a company put some time and effort into their packaging, and this looks really, really cool. It's like kind of looks like a treasure chest, if you guys can see what I mean. Has like London, Paris, and then inside it has kind of looks like subway map, city map type of thing. So yeah, that's really, really cute. So this is the eyeshadow palette. These are the Glide On eye pencils. This is the All Nighter setting spray. Ooh, I needed some more setting spray, so that's good. And then these down here are lipsticks. Yeah, let's open this eyeshadow palette and see what it looks like. I'm really, really digging this collection, like the theme of it with all the destinations on it. That is really cute. I love, love, love this. So this is what the colors are looking like. Really pretty. Nice solid set of colors. This would probably be great for a bunch of different type of evening looks. So let's see what the pigmentation. Ooh. Wow. So these colors, just from swatching them, they look really pigmented as well. The only one that doesn't really, let me see. Well, yeah. But this one doesn't look as pigmented as the rest, just from the few that I swatched. The one called Big Sky, which is this one right here. This one doesn't look as pigmented as the few others that I swatched. But yeah, so far, looks very promising. Again, I cannot get over this packaging. I just think it is so, so unique and thoughtful. And I'm excited about this palette. I'm excited to try out some new eye looks. And I don't really get excited about makeup like that, but that one really stood out to me, so I like it. Okay, so next up, got this one. This is from Smashbox. Okay, so this is Smashbox starring Golden Barbie. So, looks like a collection of their new cover shot eye palettes, 6 new collectible palettes, mesmerizing formulas and new finishes, high pigment shades from wearable to bold. So this is the Minimalist palette. Just has a bunch of neutral colors. Then we have the Punked Eye palette. Oh, pretty neutral darks colors. We got the Bold Glitter Eye palette. I really like how when you move this in different lights, the image transforms. I like that. Okay, anyway. Oh, this is like really bold. The bold glitter palette. Very sparkly, very shimmery, very shiny. Definitely lives up to its name. And we got the Petal Metal Eye palette. This is like more of my speed right here, this one. Some soft pinks and auburns and reds. All that good stuff. The Major Metals palette. This one's another bold one. Let me swatch this real quick. I want to see. So swatch these. These look amazing. Not mad at these at all. Got the Pinks and Palms eye palette. Oh, kind of like a beachy, pinky. Got that green over there. Tropical type of vibe. And the last one I have the Prism eye palette. It's kind of like a beach, but like a subdued beach vacation. That's just what it puts me in the mind of. Some of these are really iridescent. And I guess they're meant to go on kind of powdery. Yeah. They have two in here that are really powdery. So I'm not sure how they would look actually applied to the eye. But yeah, these are all the palettes. The eye palettes that came, and then it comes with this 24-hour photo finish. Whoa! Photo finish. 24-hour photo finish primer right here. So that's what I got in my Smashbox box. Got a small little ditty right here. This one is, oh, another Urban Decay one. Let's see what we got in this package. Lo-Fi is what it says on the front. I'm not sure what this is. The Perfectly Undone Pout. Get high impact color with Lo-Fi Lip Mousse. Lip mousse. That's interesting. Okay. Tap it on with fingertips for an effortless, blurred, just bitten look, or get precise with the pop-out applicator. Either way, Lo-Fi leaves lips smooth, soft, and stained with color. Okay, so this is a collection of their Lo-Fi lip mousses. I'm guessing this is a new product because I've never heard of it, but I could be wrong. I don't know. But they are modern matte finish, weightless, and waterproof. Cool, cool. Comes in a little compact like this. How do you open it? To me, it really looks like an eyeshadow compact. Super cute though. And here is the color. Very matte. Looks pretty so far. I can see this being very nice looking once you put it on. So thank you to Urban Decay for these. All right, next up we got this black box from Bobbi Brown. As you can see. See what Bobbi Brown sent. Nice and sleek and very just understated. Love, love, love that. So inside, packaged it really nicely. Inside we have the Primer Plus collection, the perfect complement to our cult favorite foundation, the Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. So, all right, the Primer Plus collection. Oh, what is this? So this, I believe, is a water bottle. Very thoughtful. They say they want to keep you hydrated. So this came in it. Also have the Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. What color is this? Golden Natural. I don't know. I've never tried Bobbi Brown foundation actually. So I don't know if this is my color or what. They sent me 3 foundations. They sent me this one in Golden Natural, one in Honey, and one in Cool Honey. So I'm guessing They just took a stab at what my foundation shade would be and then sent me a couple to try out. So I'm going to be trying these out. Hopefully one matches, or maybe I can mix them so that I can find a match, and I'll see how the foundations are. And then they also sent this Primer Plus Hydrating 3-in-1 setting spray. I love setting sprays. I use them every single time I do my makeup. I usually use the Urban Decay or the Smashbox one, so I'll have to see how this stacks up. It says it preps, sets and finishes, and refreshes makeup. Let's see if it has a smell. Smells a little citrusy. I like it. Very cooling. We'll have to see how that stacks up against the setting sprays that I usually use. And then they also sent little Bobbi Brown tote bag. Says Supercharge on one side and Bobbi Brown on the other. And then I just have one more box. This one I saved the biggest for last. It's this huge box from Janet Collection. I have no idea what's in here, so we are gonna see what they sent. So they sent, I'm gonna try to show you guys, a bunch of hair stuff. Of course, hair stuff, Janet Collection. So let's see exactly what I got in this box. Ooh. Okay, so first I have some of the Brazilian bundle hair. This is 100% natural Remy human hair. I've been wanting to do a faux ponytail, so this came just in time because I'll probably use this to make like a really voluminous ponytail. Also got more bundle hair. This is unprocessed natural hair. You can dye it, perm it, bleach it, customize it. Sent me this in 18, 20, and 22 inches. Plus a 4x4 free part closure. Pretty nice. Next I have a Afro stylish string ponytail in 1B. Okay. Another ponytail. This one is the Afro Perm L string one in 1B. I think we have a couple more drawstring ponies in here. Okay. Afro Perm string premium synthetic hair ponytail in 1B. This one I actually used, I believe it was this one, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure it was this one. I used this, I used two of these in one of my recent tutorials, the, what's it called? Double Mega Puffs tutorial. This is the ponytail that I use. I got mine from my local beauty supply, but they sent me another one. Thank you. And then I got one with the little color. This is in 1B30. This is the Afro Coily String Human Hair Feel Pony. So that's the hair that they sent, and they wrote me a nice little note. Thank you, Janet Collection. They also sent me a, ooh, this brush looks really good. Also sent me this brush. I need a new wig brush, so this comes right in time as well. I'm liking this. So that's from Janet Collection. Alright guys, so that's all the stuff that I received in my recent PR shipments. Of course, I'm only one person. I'm not going to use all of this. So part of the reason why I wanted to do this unboxing on camera is because I knew that I wanted to give away some stuff that I would not be using. So let's just go through and see what I want to give away to you guys. Alright, so from the Janet Collection, I'm going to be keeping these Remy bundles because like I said, I want to make a ponytail and these will work great, so I'm going to keep these for myself. Also going to keep this colored drawstring ponytail as well as this brush because I'm in need. I definitely need this. From the Bobbi Brown shipment, I think I'm going to keep all of this actually because I need to try out these foundations and I don't want to give away stuff that's used, and I also want to try this primer. So I'm going to keep the Bobbi Brown for myself. And then the only other thing I want to keep is this Urban Decay palette because I'm just so in love with it already. I'm going to be keeping this, but everything else that I received, I'm going to be giving it away. Okay, so for the giveaway items, I have the entire collection of the Urban Decay Lo-Fi Lip Mousses. Giving this whole thing away, as well as the Urban Decay Born to Run collection. minus the eyeshadow palette. So you'll get the all-nighter spray. Do I want to? Yeah, I'm going to leave that. You know, let's spread the love. The Glide On eye pencils and these 3 lippies, these 3 lipsticks. Also from Smashbox, I'm giving away this entire Golden Barbie collection of eyeshadow palettes. 7 palettes plus a photo finish shadow primer. From the Balm, I already have a bunch of their palettes, and I have a few that I haven't even tried yet. So I'm going to give their Foiled Again eyeshadow palette away. There you have it. This palette, as well as the mascara and the eyeliner. I'll throw that in to that bundle. All right guys, so I just got another package delivered, and so I wanted to throw it in this video and include it in this PR unboxing. So as you can see, it's from Covergirl. So this is what the box looks like on the inside. Super dope. Ooh, okay. So it looks like we got a whole collection of lipsticks. Says this is in honor of National Lipstick Day. Okay. And this is the new Exhibitionist lipstick collection. How cute is this though with the lips? That's really, really cute. So this collection has some metallic shades, it has some cream shades, and it also has some demi-matte colors as well. So this entire collection of lipsticks and lip colors from Covergirl, I'm going to be including this in the giveaway as well. So everything you see included here, all of this lip lusciousness, I will be giving away to one of you lucky subscribers. Whew, and finally, from the Janet collection, I will give, because I think this is such a nice giveaway prize, this whole bundle set with Natural Body Wave 3 pieces of 18, 20, and 22 inch Natural Virgin Remy hair, and a lace closure is included, and 3 drawstring ponytails. So all of that I just showed you guys, I will be giving away. It will be a random giveaway. You don't have to jump through hoops to win anything. I think I'm going to do this on Instagram, because a lot of the times when I do giveaways on YouTube, it's so hard to contact the winners and I don't hear back from them. I just think it's a lot easier to, you know, get information and send stuff out if I contact people via Instagram. So more than likely, yeah, I'm just going to have an Instagram giveaway. So if you guys want to win any of the items that I just showed, then check out the info box. I'll have all the information there. It'll be super simple, I promise. And so yeah, check that out. So anyway, that concludes this unboxing. Had a lot of fun sharing it with you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you very soon on my next video. Bye.